Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to discuss some problem of integration. This is element of mathematics exercise 9e question number 3 bit 1. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification for my further video. The question is given, integrate the following: integration of x ln 1 plus x dx. Okay, you know I let e. There is no inverse function given, but logarithmic function is given. So you can take u is equal to ln 1 plus x, v is equal to x. Okay, so integration of u v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u integration of v dx, total integration. This formula can be used here, is equal to, you see, ln 1 plus x. U is equal to how much? U here, you have taken u, that is u is equal to ln 1 plus x. Okay, integration of x dx minus integration of derivative of ln 1 plus x integration of x dx, total integration dx. Okay, is equal to ln 1 plus x integration of x dx, that is x square by 2, that is x square by 2. Okay, minus derivative of ln 1 plus x, that is 1 by 1 plus x. Again derivative 1 plus x, that is 1, not need to write. Integration of x dx, that is x square by 2 dx. Okay, is equal to, you see, ln 1 plus x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2, taking common 1 by 2, x square by 1 plus x dx. Okay, now you divide x square by 1 plus x or x plus 1. Okay, x square plus x minus here also minus. Okay, is equal to minus x. That means for this x square by 1 plus x is equal to x minus x by 1 plus x. You have to write like this. Okay, is equal to ln 1 plus x square by 2 minus half. This you have to write x minus x by 1 plus x dx. Okay, is equal to ln 1 plus x square by 2 minus half x dx minus 1 plus half x dx by 1 plus x. Here integration, here also integration. You can get how much? Ln 1 plus x square by 2 minus half, this also x square by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here you see x plus dx given. I can write 1 plus x minus x 1 plus x dx integration. Okay, here you write, here x is given, that means I can write plus 1 and minus 1. 1 plus x you can write minus 1 so that it can be balanced. Okay, is equal to ln 1 plus x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 x square. Okay, plus half. This is 1 plus x by 1 plus x, 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx minus half. Here you see half, this minus half dx by 1 plus x. Okay, is equal to ln 1 plus x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 x square plus 1 by 2. 1 plus x cancel out, integration dx is equal to x minus 1 by 2. This is ln 1 plus x. Okay, this is ln 1 plus x plus c. Here you see ln 1 plus x I can take in common ln 1 plus x, that is x square minus 1 by 2 ln 1 plus x. Okay, minus 1 by 4, taking common 1 by 4 from these two, 1 by 4 x square, 1 by 2 x, that is x square, okay, minus 2x. You see, if you multiply minus 1 by 4 minus 2, you can get minus minus plus 2 by 4, that is 1 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that is 1 by 2. So here you see 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 4 x square minus 2x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Integration of x to the power 7 ln x dx. U is equal to u ln x. Ln x. I let e. Logarithmic function ln x. V is equal to x to the power 7. Okay. Is equal to ln x. Integration of x to the power 7 dx minus integration of derivative of ln x. Integration of x to the power 7 dx. Total integration dx is equal to ln x. Integration of x to the power 7, that is x to the power 8 by 8. Okay, minus derivative of ln x, that is 1 by x. Integration of x to the power 7, that is x to the power 8 by 8 dx. Okay, is equal to ln x. X to the power 8 by 8 minus taking common 1 by 8. Here x 1 ja, x 7 ja. Okay, 7, that is integration of x to the power 7 dx is equal to ln x. You write x to the power 8 by 8 ln x minus 1 by 8. This is integration of x to the power 7 is equal to x to the power 8 by 8 plus c is equal to x to the power 8 by 8 ln x minus 1 by 64 x to the power 8 plus c. If you taking common 1 by x to the power 8 by 8, you can get ln x minus 1 by 8 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. This is your question number 3 bit 2.